Hello friends, in this video we will see how to download the latest official gadget released by the government of India. So for this purpose, in the Google search e-gadget of India. Then you will see the first one. Click on that link. Then you will see the website. Click on this. Okay. Then okay. Then come to the gadget directory option. Then the government issues two types of gadgets. First one extraordinary, second one weekly gadget. Now we will see the weekly gadget. Then select the year. Here there are many options. You don't need to select this. Just click submit. Then you will see the list of gadgets. As you can see in the year 2023, there are 190 gadgets issued by the government. The recent one is 10th June 2023. So for this, to open this first one, click on this view link. So you can see the, so once you open the downloaded PDF, you can see the gadget issued. So this gadget will be in both languages, that in two languages, that is Hindi and English. So to go to the English part, 90. So here, so this is issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Office of Registrar of Companies, that is ROC. And on top of this, there is a Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pensions. So like this, you can download the official gadget. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.